Hey, this is going to be a really short video, everyone. This one's on viewport shading, and depending on your computer, we'll probably decide which one you like to use. This is going to be a really fast video here. You're going to see here I've got these objects with some color. I have some lights, a little ground plane here. This is the viewport shading. Down here, I'll just show you here, bounding box. It basically shows you the object's bounding box, which you'll never use this, but there it is. Wireframe. This isn't bad for when you sort of want to zoom in on a model and just check out where all the lines, the edges, and the vertices are to make sure you haven't messed anything up really weird. Solid is probably what you're used to if you've never changed the setting. Texture. That throws in the lights and some of the shading. Okay, so if your computer can handle this, when you rotate and your computer still runs fine with your model, then that's a nice one to use. There's material, which will apply even better things that you've added here on your materials. We haven't done anything complicated yet, and really that makes a big difference, but later on, if you get there, then you know materials isn't a bad one. Again, this requires a few more calculations, you know, as you rotate and everything. Your computer may have a little trouble doing it. And then the last one is the most intensive, which is rendered. This actually shows you the rendered view, and you'll see on my computer, which is pretty decent, it takes a little while to catch up. Okay, but if you don't want to keep hitting, I know I've been showing you like go to render, render, then you have to escape out. If you don't want to do that, you could just be in rendered mode once in a while just to check what it ends up looking like, right? Like a ballpark idea. That's the viewport shading. Okay, and that's it. Check out following few videos. We're going to start adding reflections onto the materials, and then we're going to start talking about stuff like lights and shadows. Thanks for watching.